How to fix Arc voice chat or proximity chat not working. If you're facing this issue, first press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open settings. On the left side, click Privacy and Security, then select Microphone under App Permissions. Now make sure Microphone Access, Let App Access Your Microphone, and Let Desktop App Access Your Microphone are all turned on. Next, set your mic as the default device. Open the control panel, click Hardware and Sound, go to Sound. Go to Recording tab, select your microphone and click Set as Default Device and Set as Default Communication Device. Then click OK to save. Finally, open Arc go to Audio or Voice Chat settings and make sure the same microphone is selected as your input device. Now restart the game and test the voice chat or proximity chat and it should be working again. That's all for this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.